Hi everybody, Starlight Girl here. So I'm just going to say that right now I'm just painting the peel off base coat on my nails. But today I'm going to be doing a watermelon look on my nails. And I will see you guys again in 1 minute. And we are back. So to use as a base, as the rind for my watermelon, I took this LA Color Last in Color Craze Energy and used it as a base color for my nails. The name is Energy, by the way. This is not a very good polish and will take a second or third coat to be completely opaque, which is saddening to me. I wish it wasn't like that, but sadly it is. And we're back. And surprise, surprise, the nail polish only needed 2 coats, except for the index and the thumb. They needed a few more coats than the rest. I don't know why, that's just how they are. And now it is time for me to paint the pink onto my nails. So just in advance, I majorly screwed up on my index finger because the polish was too thin and I kind of painted it too far into the line. As we can see my mistakes here. So I tried to take the green polish and put a little bit more of the rind in, and we can all see how that went. Not very good. So now I am just at my wit's end. So I just decided to go to the other finger, which came out actually a lot better. The rest of them came out a lot better than the index finger, but I ended up fixing the index finger in the end with a lot of nail polish. So, yeah. Okay, so this pink nail polish isn't even close to being dry, but like it's getting kind of late at night and I am tired, so we're gonna go ahead and just paint the watermelon seeds. Those are now watermelon seeds. It's watermelon seeds. Totally. And that is my watermelon look. I'm going to go ahead and paint the glossy taco on my nails. Oh no! Turns out when nail polish isn't dry, it starts to blend whenever you paint a taco over it, so that didn't go well. But yeah, I will see you guys in a few minutes when I let all of this dry. Thanks for watching, Star Crew. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!